Hey everyone, Justin Perry here from Pangolin Laser Systems and Cavant Lasers in the USA, and we're rocking it out here at ISE. Wanted to show you a little bit about our new FB4 media server. It's integrated standard inside of all these beautiful Cavant laser projectors you see here. So FB4 is a customized hardware that we build into our Cavant projectors. It's going to allow you to control a laser in three interesting ways. The first being streaming mode from a PC, which is kind of a classical setup. But the newer way and the more powerful is over DMX or ArtNet directly from your lighting console. So you can connect to the laser right from the lighting console of your choice, be it an MA, an Avilites, a Hog, what have you, and you can run your show entirely from the desk as you would like to in a normal multimedia setup. So this is really helping expand the use of lasers into more multimedia shows, as well as giving the control back to the LD so he can run the lasers together with his other lighting, video, and multimedia elements. So these are now standard inside of all of our projectors. It's helping revolutionize the game for lasers, and we hope to see it on your next event. You can check us out on www.pangolin.com and www.cavantlasers.sk.